All right, guys. Hey, welcome to today's episode of Bodycam. What we're going to be doing is looking at some private security footage and kind of breaking it down, giving you guys our thought on it. Today's video, unfortunately, I don't know where it comes from, but it's actually a nightclub. A very similar setting to what a lot of private security guards find themselves in. It seems to be maybe like an after-hours spot when maybe people are coming out of the club. A lot of people are in the parking lot and there's some sort of disturbance. The issue with the disturbance is that the private security guard responds, and he responds with deadly force. I want you guys to watch this. I'll give you my opinion, but more importantly, I want to know what you guys think. So let's get started. Again, a parking lot. Looks like people are just kind of hanging out, lots of vehicles. I personally hate these kind of situations. It seems like after hours or after the party is over, when people are coming out of the nightclubs, this is when things tend to go wrong. Let's play it through first, and then we'll play it a second time, and I'll give you guys my thoughts on it. Let's go.
No.
Oh shit.
It's like 5 minutes from 6. I'll share my low with you. Then
In the car, man. Damn. Oh my.
So in this situation, from start to finish, I mean, we're looking at like maybe 10 seconds from the first shot to the final shot, maybe even less. Yeah. I'm interested to know if something happened before this, because the person that's filming it is already cued in on what's going on. So it's not out of the realm of possibility. I'm totally speculating because I don't know. You know, we get the video that we get. He's already cued in on that area. He's already focusing on the area. Maybe there was a exchange of words. Maybe there was some sort of drama that happened beforehand. But he didn't seem shocked that the first guy shot the second guy. Let's rewind the video, kind of walk through this slowly here. So let's see here.
no.
Oh shit.
It's like 5
Okay, so something's going on.
minutes from 6. I'll share my low.
You can see the guy coming out of it looks like maybe a Scion, kind of one of these like cube type vehicles. He comes out and he pulls the gun up. Now you can't see the first victim. He's on the other side of this black car. But he's coming over with the gun already pointed.
Then
Looks like it jams the first time. He racks the slide and then levies off the first round, second round, third round, fourth round. Looks like at least 5 shots here, and you're gonna see the victim fall to the ground.
Damn.
Falls right there at the back side of the vehicle. Now the camera is kind of panning quickly. You can see the security guard coming from the far left-hand side of the angle. Clearly saw all of this and immediately is going to return fire. I'm going to say 12 shots, and the original shooter is down. Security guard holsters his weapon, walks off. Now, a couple of things here. The most important question that I want to ask private security guards, you know, our job is to protect property. Our job is to observe and report. Our job is to deter. And some would say that the greatest deterrence for a parking lot situation like this or a business is just having that security guard there, having armed security. Now, you have every right to address a situation like this as you see fit. However, there are so many problems and so many issues that can come along with this. You have just witnessed a felony. The involved person has shot the first subject. However, when we're watching this video, we don't know what preceded this situation. We don't know what the circumstances were that led to this. Now, it looks to be a justified shooting, and I can tell you from looking into this situation, the security guard was interviewed on the scene, was released, and as of today, there's been no charges levied towards this private security guard. To the best of my knowledge, allegedly, what the security guard told the police officers was that in this situation, he's guarding this parking lot. He's guarding this private property. He doesn't know if this is a single incident or if this person is going to potentially turn that firearm on the other people that are in the area. So he's articulating that he's protecting the life of the people that are in that area. If he would have said something to the effect of, you know, he is addressing this as an act of revenge or vigilantism, that to me is where this could go south. It all comes down to his ability to articulate that he's acting and responding in protection of these other people that are there. This one, to me, it looks like a good shoot in terms of what the police are saying in this situation. They're seeing it as a good shoot. We want to hear your thoughts. What do you guys think about this video? If you were the security guard involved, would you have acted the same way? Would you have done something different? And also, if you weren't a security guard and you were just there in a bystander capacity, what would you do? Please put your thoughts in your comments below. And as always, thanks for being a part of what we're doing here. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, be great. Take care.